In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the gallery size in Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your digital life, whether you're managing personal tasks, coordinating a team project, or even just keeping track of random ideas. One of its features is the gallery view, which provides a visual layout of your information. Adjusting the size of the gallery can enhance visibility and improve your workflow. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. First, ensure you're on the Notion homepage. From there, the journey begins with a simple click. As you might know, your homepage is the hub of all your activities in Notion. It's where you have your workspaces, notes, and projects all lined up. Now the next step is crucial: choosing the right workspace. Navigate through your list of workspaces and pick the one where you want to customize the gallery size. Selecting the precise workspace ensures that the changes you're about to make are applied exactly where you need them. Once you've pinpointed the correct workspace, it's time to locate the settings icon. This is usually found in the upper right corner of your gallery. Imagine it as the control panel, the place where all customization magic happens. Clicking here opens a door to numerous options that allow you to tailor the workspace to fit your specific needs. Now, shift your focus to the Layout section. The layout settings let you control how your information is displayed to a significant degree. It's like adjusting the furniture in a living room to better suit your needs. With a quick click on Layout, you gain access to a choice that can truly transform your work environment. Next up is the card size setting. Think of it as choosing the house for your content. It dictates the amount of visual space each piece of information occupies on the screen. Clicking on card size gives you the flexibility you need, offering you 3 different size options: small, medium, or large. Each size has its benefits: small for compact efficiency, medium for a balanced view, and large for more in-depth detail. And just like that, you're ready to choose which size best suits your current needs. Whether you're displaying images, to-do lists, or full projects, selecting from small, medium, or large allows you to personalize how you digest and interact with your data, making information easier and more pleasant to navigate. There you have it, a straightforward process to tailor your Notion gallery size, aligning it with your unique preferences and workflow. Implementing these adjustments can significantly enhance your productivity and visual comfort. I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of Notion. Thank you for joining me, and happy organizing.